Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily create a background strike effect for your videos in a CapCut mobile. So first, just add the video that you want to edit, and here you need to add a video with a person on an object to it, and just go to effect, body effect. Here, find the superpowers category and you'll easily spot the background strike effect. So click on the effect. So this will be the default result, but you can always adjust the horizontal and intensity of the strike. So after that, click on a check icon and adjust how long you want the effect to apply to the video. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.